can get it open. I literally can't get it open. Oh, there you go. That opened it. There was just a spider that went down that beam as I was doing that. Where's it gone? Oh no. Oh, there it is. Oh God, I hate spiders. Excuse me, you're not welcome here. We're also going to add in, whoops, all in the name of trial and error. Oh dear, these little mini cupcakes were a little bit raw in the bottom. They were uncooked. How annoying. They looked so good on the top. Look, you can see those chocolate chips, but all of them are the same. Back to the drawing board. And then we've got lots, whoops. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I need my microphone. Need the microphone. Oh dear. Bless me. Dope. Cooking fail. Look at that. You put the whole bowl in. Just give that a stir through. This is white chocolate brown. Henry, I'm recording. Sorry. Right, we go over to the middle section, if my camera doesn't drop, and then, whoa, oh my God. I've just chucked the cake batter everywhere.